My name is Sky Perry, and I'm the CEO of SSP Innovations. Now, for many years, we've invested in product dating back to the early days of SSP over 12 years ago. Now, originally, this began around the white space in and around ArcMap and the related geodatabase. Products like SSP Delta, SSP Replay, and SSP Maintenance are used by utilities across the country today to enable their geospatial businesses. Now, beyond that, in 2010, we expanded our work into work and asset management with our flagship product, Lifecycle. Lifecycle is really there to enable managing cradle-to-grave lifecycle of both your assets and your work. Now, beyond that, we've today invested very heavily into the utility network. We have a product, SSP Sync, which will bridge the gap between the geometric network and the utility network, and SSP Productivity, which is a native extension to ArcGIS Pro. Now, those are our organically invested products. And beyond that, we've added a number of products over the years via acquisition. This began with our investment into the AMI suite, which brought on tools to enable both geospatially and with the business intelligence of your AMI deployments. And then via more recent acquisitions, SSP Spans, which is enabling your joint use management of all the joint use attachments on poles across the country. And finally, an SSP MEMS, which is our mobile information management system, a native ArcGIS runtime application that runs in the field to enable both work and mapping across your field workforce. The leadership team today has decided to invest in a new position, the Vice President of Product Strategy and Management. Now, this position is very important to our future. It will begin with initially assessing where we are with our products today and bringing all of these different products together to build a true product platform that will enable our customers for years to come. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Mr. Chris Ash, who will be taking this on. And I've asked him to come in his own words, explain to us a little bit about his background, as well as what he envisions for this position here at SSP.
Thank you, Sky. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been lucky to be part of the utility industry for 24 years. For much of that time, I worked with individual utilities, helping work out their strategic direction, their roadmap, the technologies they needed to adopt, and then help them implement those technologies. For the last 10 years, I've been very lucky to be on the product vendor side of the fence to help utilities like yourselves address problems and solutions and opportunities and challenges that you're seeing today. So what does this role actually mean at SSP? In essence, it's very, very simple. It's making sure we understand your problems, your challenges, your goals, and make sure that we build solutions that can satisfy those. But I'd like you to be ready for a two-way conversation where we're going to challenge you a little bit. Quite rightly, you're going to want to know where SSP is going, why we're going there, making sure your voice is heard. But then also, with all the disruption in our industry right now, we're going to want to ask you questions. How are your goals changing? How is your job changing? If any of us think we're immune to the disruption happening in our gas, power, water and wastewater industries, then maybe we're a little bit naive and we want to challenge you on that front. So please consider this a call to action. We know you are already highly engaged with many parts of the SSP organization about where we're going and why we're doing it and our solutions for you. So let's consider this yet another vehicle for communication. We want to talk with you, we want to challenge you, we want to understand where we're going, we want to understand your goals and make sure we build solutions and products that satisfy your needs. So having said all of that, I could not be more excited to be here. I look forward to seeing all of you and hopefully very soon at the Illuminate conference here in Denver, Colorado.